The digital transformation is sweeping through the automotive industry. This is a revolution that is reshaping the way we are thinking and driving about cars.
That's right, Don. The software-defined vehicle and AI integrations are going to change the future of automotive and its business models. Everything is going to evolve because of technological advancements and connectivity.
And to learn more about this digital revolution, we sat down with Enrico Salvatori, and he gave us a lot of insights in what is actually happening in the industry.
Digital chassis is the combination of three main technology domains: the telematics for the connectivity, the IVI cockpit for the application processor, the in-user experience in the cabin, and ADAS, autonomous driving. So digital chassis across the three elements is enabling innovation in technology, is creating new business model in combination with the new technology. So the digital chassis is an ingredient needed today to make the car more digital. That implies the opportunity to create new business model, new service and application available in the cabin, so that can go from the streaming, increasing also safety in the car, and streaming for audio, video, personal assistant, car to cloud, so that you can have a car that is evolving because of the software, because of the service and application during the product life cycle. So definitely we are working with the automakers, and we exchange information, data, vision, notes of what has to be done, at the same time to support their own feature set and requirements.
Enrico's insights really shed light on the growing importance of ADAS and autonomous drive in the automotive industry.
Yes, Nicole. As the demand for hardware grows, we see a shift from microcontrolled hardware to cloud computing hardware. And this reduces the number of SKUs significantly, which is good for the software-defined vehicle.
And within that software is the transformative power of artificial intelligence and machine learning. And so as the AI algorithms learn and get applied within this software, we're going to be seeing ever increasingly intelligent vehicles and enhanced user experiences.
Today are already available personal assistant that we use in the smart home already in the car, and we expect this evolution also in terms of AI.
The automotive industry has changed. The architecture today requires both cloud computing hardware and zonal controllers.
And this fundamental shift in architecture really is reducing the number of SKUs that are found inside of the vehicle, which ultimately helps to optimize the processing power for all the new features that are being added to cars today.
Yes, Nicole. The new Flex platform from Qualcomm enhances the potential of the software-defined vehicle with a single hardware architecture. Flex helps also with car infotainment, but also enhances the performance of ADAS. So you have a mixture of crucial workloads.
The Dragon Flex is an hardware platform that is really the concept of a software-defined vehicle, because with a single hardware we can support cockpit infotainment performance and ADAS performance. So we can run mixed critical workloads that can be workload for cockpit infotainment on one side, or a workload for ADAS. So very different in terms of safety criticalities.
One thing that I'm very happy to see is Qualcomm's acceptance of open standard interfaces in the automotive industry. If you look at the broader tech ecosystem, open source has been critical to its success.
What is super critical from our perspective is to have this horizontal platform, the digital chassis, hardware plus software platform, that has to be open and scalable. Open because it's mandatory for the automakers to maintain differentiation. So they have to maintain the ability to integrate on top of the horizontal platform. Scalable because, of course, the demand is growing more and more in terms of feature set, cloud, resident in the cloud, resident in the car, or also in terms of autonomous driving.
Qualcomm's commitment to tailoring experience for entry, mid-tier and premium cars is evident in their Flex platform.
We are looking to have support with the Flex depending on the requirements of the car and the tier, entry level, mid-tier. Moving to premium tier, definitely more SoC are requested. So it's not one Flex only. So from one side we have a workload for IVI that is not critical, and we can run on OS and like Android. And on the other side we have a super critical workloads like autonomous driving, and that is run with OS like Linux, QNX.
To showcase these capabilities, Qualcomm has created a concept car to demonstrate exactly what the digital chassis is capable of.
Concept car is a tool for us to give evidence of what can be done today with Qualcomm technology across the digital chassis platform, because it's delivering all the latest and greatest in hardware and software performances. We work with many OEMs and they are adopting our technology. So for telematics, we have the 5G and V2X technology in the concept car. For IVI, we have the cockpit in order to run all the user experience possible into the car, audio, video, cameras, all the multiple displays for infotainment, entertainment, rear seats. All can be possible with the platform, extracting all the feature set available in the hardware and software platform as a user experience.
Enrico's insight shed a light on the collaborative nature of the automotive industry. And it also shows how Qualcomm is providing the car manufacturers new technology to build the next-gen car.
It really is a win-win for everyone. Closer collaboration between the technology provider, the tier ones, and the OEMs is really paving a way to a much more innovative environment and a more focused product roadmap.
If you want to learn more about the digital chassis, just follow the link in the description.
That's been another episode of Change of Directions. Until next time, drive safe and keep innovating.